Dreamspell calendar because it's a new count after December 21st, 2012, right? We all know the Mayan thing ended, ended on December 21st, 2012, right? Well, the only thing that ended, okay, was this cycle, right? A particular count and energy, keeping track of the energies of each day. And we start doing that in a different way after December 21st, 2012.
So the galactic calendar follows a galactic cycle?
Exactly.
I know a little bit about like regular astrology. It follows like the Earth cycle mostly. It's like, but that follows a galactic, meaning a space, planetary kind of thing.
Right. Which
maybe not the planets. What the heck? They got planets in regular astrology.
right. And so we're still naturally, right? We're still dealing with the same planets, and the planets that move the same way, right?
Right.
So but what we're doing is we're actually deciphering, what does that translate into meaning as far as energetically on this globe, right?
Okay. You don't have to give me a detailed answer, but it's following a huge cosmic cycle.
Yes, and taking into consideration all the cosmic energy that's moving and flowing around, and how this planet is bathed in an intelligent energy, and that energy is actually changing and dependent on the star system that's rising that is behind the sun. Right? If we look, the sun is out here. Okay. The Earth is down here, and there's a star system out here beyond the Earth, or beyond the sun, right? So this star system...
Beyond the solar system.
No, well, yeah, it's way out there, right? It's the Pleiades, right? Or maybe Taurus, or maybe Cancer, or maybe Pisces, or maybe Aquarius, right? Where we are now, right? Aquarius, right, is out here, right? So the energy of the star system Aquarius is now informing the sun, and the energy, and like the sun, almost like a translator beacon or something, where this information is going into this and being cast upon this planet.
Like a magnifying glass?
Yeah, well, because the energies are all around out there, but when they go through the lens of this sun, right, then that puts a certain information down on this globe.
That's according to Mayans, right?
Yeah, and the DNA, and literally our DNA is informed on what to do. Everything here is informed through its DNA, through the light that's coming to it, because there's actually information in the light that's coming to us, and the information is based on what star system it is. In Pisces, we were quite about ourselves, right? And in Aquarius, we're going to come out of that a little more, right? And that's why they have this big thing about coming into the age of Aquarius, right?
So that's the Mayan science.
That's the science behind it. That's the science behind this Mayan astrology.
You said it was taking 2,000 years in every house. 2,000 years in Pisces, and then it gets into Aquarius.
Yeah. It kind of goes almost with the yugas even. If we watched it close. But so with this information coming onto this globe and informing it now, how can I explain it? The way they explain it in the Mayan factor is very simple. If you were to take a flashlight and shine it through the air, there would be a beam of light. And you could say, right, you could almost hold your fingers up and say, well, the beam's that wide, right? So think of energy beams moving through space. Okay, they're very large. Okay? very large energy beams. They're so large, okay, that this beam moving through space as is going through, but the Earth is also moving through space, right? And the Mayans told us that on December 21st, 3113 BC, right, long time ago, before Christ, 3,000 years before Christ, we entered the light of that, the Earth entered the light of that beam. And on December 21st, 2012, it finally passed all the way through that energy beam and came out of it now. It's not in that energy beam anymore. All the time the sun is being informed by different star systems. Now we're informed by the energy beam and the star systems combined. It's kind of technical, okay? Right?